There we go. Yo, what is up, guys? Jib Boys, aka Matthias. I'm gonna mix it up a little different this time. We're gonna be working on my INFINTI Q45 1999. I've been having a little bit rough time with the idling. My car, when I press the brake and on the stoplight, it'll just go and just like and just act all kind of stupid. And honestly, I've just been getting really stressed out about it. So today I bought from O'Reilly a carb and choke cleaner. I'm gonna clean the throttle body today. I also got a new air filter. And by the way, no one on YouTube posts videos on the Q45, so I'm gonna be the first one today to fix an idle problem on your car. So take my advice. We're gonna take this baby apart. All you need is a 7/16. Take all the things off. I'm gonna take off the air intake manifold. I'll take all the good stuff out, and then the whole process will be there, and hopefully the car will be running good, or I'm just gonna blow it up. Yes, guys, it's a V8, all right? It's a V8, all right? Vh41de. Suck a nut. Look, guys, your car could be idling weird because, look, here's one. Here's my old original one. Here's a brand new. Look at that. My car's trying to breathe. It's like having cancer and having fresh lungs, a baby lung. Obviously the car's gonna be idling wrong if you got fucking dust coming out and rocks and stuff, you know? Take care of your car. Don't be an idiot. So what's up, guys? So I currently took out the whole entire intake. Got the new bad boy. It's gonna go in pretty soon. But my first step is gonna be taking off all this because the throttle body is in here. I'm on FaceTime with my friend Franco, just getting a little FaceTime in while he's getting a burger. I'm also gonna clean this bad boy up, but I gotta take this bad boy off, and I'm gonna get straight into the carburetor. Let me get a quick checkup on this. Look, I got it from O'Reilly, carb and choke. I watched a video the other day. They said do not get ones that just say multi-cleaner. Get the one that says carb and choke cleaner. Make sure you get the one. But the guy at O'Reilly said they're all the same, so don't be paying extra more. Just make sure they say that on it. But I'll get to you guys right after I take this off. Hopefully I don't rip anything off, anything too important. And yeah, let's get to it. Yeah, this kind of sucks. I kind of thought this was really gonna pay off by looking at my carburetor and see that it's filthy, but for what I see, she looks like she's pretty freaking clean. For a really old car, she's really clean. Yeah, kind of a bummer, but we're gonna spray this bad boy down and see how she works. Let's get the sprayer. I'll go look inside there. I don't know how it's open right now. Oh, there's two of them. Oh, the other one's filthy. Oh shit. We got a result. Guys. So look. Not a good place. Oh no. Look at that. Now as I open the throttle body, both of them, look at the black stuff. Look at the black stuff in the other one. Look at that blackness in there. Oh, nasty. Nasty. Start cleaning this bad boy up more. Just want to point out, you guys should probably turn on a fan. Cause I just breathed that stuff in and it smelled like someone like smoked like 10 packs of cigarettes in my face or something. And also, I live in Irvine. Damn, you know what's weird about Irvine? You wake up in the morning and you just wake up and there's a freaking crazy fire that just happened. What's up, boy? What's up, boy? Everything good? You guys already know I'm still BMXing. Got the Q45. This is the car we're really taking apart, but Dang, this stuff is strong. This stuff's really strong. I'm pretty sure the adhesive already burned through my glove too, so be aware of that, guys. Be smart. That stuff can burn your skin right off. What's up, guys? I already gave her a really quick clean down. It's good that we wear these face masks because honestly, that stuff's toxic. But look, so I open up the throttle and the back heat. Let's see. Got 2 throttles. I pull it and then I open it up from the carburetor. This is what releases. This is what releases the air into the engine and then causes all the good stuff to happen in there. But look, I don't know if you guys can see that, but see, it's kind of did a way better job. But there's a little bit of a black ring on the outside. I wish I could take this whole thing off, but I'm not a mechanic, so really don't want to risk that too much. But you can see I cleaned up the engine a lot better in there, but I'm trying to get as much as I can out. Wish me luck. Hey, and fun fact, you should be thankful you have dads, or if you don't have a dad, either way, like, sorry for the one, my bad, that shouldn't come out that way. But bro, if your dad has tools, like, you should be happy and privileged, because don't mess with my tools, bro. But dude, straight privilege, bro, to have all these things. What are you doing, bro? Go, get out of here. It's not where you want to be. You should not be messing with these tools, bro. Get out of here. Go. Get out of here. Be thankful for tools, bro, because honestly I couldn't do this without my dad. Thank God. Charging out the phone. Got this bad boy pretty clean though. She's getting better. She's getting a little better. After a good amount of time, guys, I cleaned it up. I waited about 40 minutes, waited about an hour. We're gonna put this baby back together. I'm gonna let it idle for a little bit. Probably give it about 2,000 RPMs, let it idle just for a little bit. Then, yeah, hopefully the car will be running a lot better. We'll have to give her a test. Wish me luck, guys. Just after you clean, just give it about 40 an hour. Because when you turn your car on, there's a slight chance it might not turn on. My car never had issues like that, but we're gonna have to just see how it works. Simple as that, guys. I'm not gonna lie, a little bit of white smoke came out the back for a second. It's not a blown head gasket. It smells like that stuff that I just put in. It didn't want to start for almost a second, but the baby started and I already put her in drive and reverse and she's not shaking anymore. My RPMs are back to normal. I used to go, look, I'm gonna put in reverse. Oh shoot. I used to put in reverse right here and then give me a little tug. Already by now she would have been tugging. And she has no more tug. Put her in drive. Let's see. No more. She's good to go. Subscribe, click the link in the bio. I don't know, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. My car's back to normal. This is actually an experiment to see. And Jesus Christ is really real. Caught up in the streets in the face, still knocking. Nigga, hard to understand me, my jaw keep locked. Baby, hard to understand, because my jaw keep locked. Bite down. Baby, hard to understand, because my jaw keep locked. Bite down.